It's about time I did a follow-up and let an update and let you all know that UmMaw is doing well after being shocked. In fact, I got shocked. My situation was a little different. It wasn't outside, but it was in the house. I cleaned the shower, and I never did get a shock from taking a shower because I guess that fiberglass shower kept me insulated from getting a shock. But I got in there and cleaned that shower, and I spilt cleaning liquid on the vanity, and I had this little Scotch-Brite pad. That's really good to clean with, by the way. And I touched my fingers on that for some reason, kind of like that, and I thought, well, I've got a splinter in my finger. And then I touched it, didn't feel any splinter. So I touched it again and got shocked again. So the water, of course I was barefooted. So I got shocked. So what was the problem? The reason I got voltage on the voltage meter was the heating elements for the hot water tank. This is the one for the top. It's got two elements, one in the top and one in the bottom. And they both have some problems with it. They had a leakage here, and I had to replace this one. But they should have looked more like this than this corroded one here. And you can see also that it's corroded back here at the base. This would all be underwater here, in the water, with the power hooked up to these two terminals. But that was the problem. The electricity was leaking out in the water. So we got shocked. And that was last Friday. Today's the 26th, May the 26th. It's fixed. There's nobody getting shocked anymore. But it's interesting though. Someone somewhere out here is working on the water line, and we don't even have any water. Oh my, this is the life. This is my nip life. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy, give me a thumbs up. Till next time, bye.